Today's recipe is South Indian peas curry. This goes very well with the rava chapati, then the rice flour chapatis, puris and whatnot. You name it, it goes well with it. So let's begin. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj showing you South Indian peas curry. To begin with, I'm going to add some oil. South Indian food always followed by ghee. Mustard seeds. Now it's crackling. I'm going to add in the curry leaves and few garlic cloves. These are called sambar onions. This tastes very good when cooked. So I'm using this. Even otherwise you can use the regular red onions. I'll allow this to cook for few minutes. Onions have changed its color. Time to add the peas. Now that peas is also sorted, I'm going to pour in little milk. Let this cook in milk for 1 or 2 minutes. Now is the time to add some water. Now I'll close this lid and allow it to cook. While this is cooking, I'm going to do the masala for this. First goes in the poppy seeds, then the ginger, few cashew, then I have the roasted dhania, jeera and pepper and little bit of mustard, mix of that, roasted red chillies, turmeric, raw onions and the grated coconut. The final ingredient is the roasted onion. A whole onion I've roasted on the flame so that it's cooked from inside. I cut open this, peel out the roasted part, and the whole thing goes in for grinding. This is the masala for this curry. I have this into a smooth fine paste. Now the masala is ready and the peas is boiled. I'm going to add in the paste. Then the tamarind extract, little bit of jaggery and salt to taste. At this stage, you can add little more water and allow it to boil. Now this is boiling well. So I shall put it into the serving bowl. Our peas curry is ready to eat.